This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Pampered, 1 owner, full brick home, west/4 beds and 3 full baths, carpet in bedrooms only, lovely day room, west/large glass windows that open and close looking over the backyard to let the sunshine in. Large walk-in pantry, master closet and laundry room, west/motion sensor lighting. Master bath and hall bath, west/double vanities, laundry, west/cabinets over washer and dryer plus cabinet, west/granite top for folding table. House is wired for surround sound. Side entry 2-car garage, west/epoxy coated floor. Kitchen measurement include vast area. Mother-in-law suite and full yard sprinklers. County taxes only.